and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Mining dependents threaten a violent protest if CM Parrikar does not withdraw mining ban. Mining dependents organize public meeting after a Padyatra. Election Commission of India confirms 9 cases of paid news in Goa, conducts workshop for media and political party members on model code of conduct. ACB gives clean chit to Speaker Arlekar in disproportionate assets case, says no cognizable offence made out, request court to dismiss plea. Dayanand Narvekar resigns from the Congress party. Narvekar sends his resignation to AICC. Sources say Narvekar may form a new party. And Salgaonkar trounced Shillong Lajong as Duffy scores a brace. Sporting Club de Goa missed chance to go top of table. I-League title race remains wide open. And now the news in detail. Agitation by taxi operators has become an inspiration for mining dependents. They have threatened to launch similar protests if Parrikar fails to withdraw mining ban. They held a Padyatra from Usgao to Bicholim. A public meeting was held at Shivaji Maidan in Bicholim. Around 500 dependents were present for the meeting.
आज आम्ही ही जी जम्पिन पदयात्रा सुरू केली आसा नॉर्थ गोवा त्याच प्रमाणे आमच्या साउथ गोवाक बी आम्ही करतले हे हांव तुमकां सांगता की चौथ जालो मायनी जाता दिवाळी जावन मायनी जाता म्हणून जाल्यार पयली नोटिफिकेशन कर गॅजेटात आनी सांग की आय एम द गॅरंटर फॉर ऑल द लॉज ऑफ द मायन होल्डर सुप्रीम कोर्टान कितेंय करूं यू आर द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा. You have suspended the mining operation. Come out with a gazette notification that the government of Goa have taken the decision to withdraw the mining suspension of all the legal leases. All the legal leases जे आसात त्याचे सस्पेन्शन विथड्रॉ कर. ज्या तरेन सुप्रीम कोर्टान मायनिंगाच्या लोकांबद्दल उलयला हेंका ऑनरेबल म्हणपाचो काय उरोंक ना पण तरी आसतना रेझोल्युशन म्हणटकूच आमी ऑनरेबल म्हणटा आनी सांगूंक सोदता ताबडतोब मायनिंग चालू जावपाक जाय आनी ताबडतोब चालू जाता आसतना आमी हे सांगतात की रेट पिटिशन जे आसा ते रेट पिटिशन 2012 जे आसा ते भायर मारपाक जाय आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान जो बंदी हाडला जी स्टे हाडला ती फाटी घेवपाक जाय.
9 cases of paid news have been confirmed by the Election Commission of India in Goa. During Assembly election 2012, there were 63 cases of paid news reported in Goa. Election Commission has confirmed 9. On the backdrop of Lok Sabha election, Election Commission on Friday conducted a workshop for media and political party representatives on paid news and model code of conduct.
Joint Election Commissioner Dr. Y. Durga Prasad said a candidate or media house can face minimum 2 years of imprisonment if the offence of paid news is proved. He informed that during assembly elections in Goa, 63 cases were reported by the Media Certification and Monitoring Committee.
As per the regarding paid news, whatever the information given by Election Commission, I mentioned there are suspected 63 and 9 are there, that may change. Regarding details, I will furnish the information next meeting which I discussed here. We request all the political parties and media people also to educate the public, put correct facts without partitioning anybody and bring the facts correctly and create the environment for smooth conduct of elections. sensitize the people for ethical voting and give the knowledge about the date of voting, place of voting, and citizens has to come forward to vote for this forthcoming parliament elections.
Election Commission has targeted nearly 75% of voting for Lok Sabha elections.
Our target is planning to achieve 75% for the forthcoming parliament elections. This can be happened not only by our election machinery, it will happen with the help of all the stakeholders of education institutions and by campus ambassadors and also print and media. Electronic and print media are required to sensitize, motivate, educate the people.
In a bid to sensitize media persons and political parties on paid news ahead of Lok Sabha election, workshop on paid news and model code of conduct was held by Election Commission of India on Friday at Altino in Panaji. Representatives from various media houses attended the workshop. Election Commission requested media to keep strict vigil on paid news and violation of model code of conduct by the various political parties. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
AntiCorruption Bureau has virtually given a clean sheet to the Speaker of Goa Assembly Rajendra Allekar in an alleged disproportionate assets case. ACB in its reply filed before the Sessions Court has stated that pursuant to the investigation carried out by them so far found no cognizable offence against Allekar. ACB has requested the court to dismiss the related petition with cost to the petitioner.
Anti-Corruption Bureau on Friday filed its reply before Panjim District and Sessions Court in Rajendra Allekar disproportionate assets case. ACB has stated that during the preliminary inquiry they have recorded statements and collected documents from Rajendra Allekar. ACB has also admitted that they have not completed the investigation as yet. They are yet to record the statement of the vendor as he did not appear before them. ACB has said that on the basis of investigation carried out by them so far, no cognizable offence is made out against Rajendra Allekar. Petitioner Advocate Iris Rodriguez, while seeking direction from the court to book Rajendra Allekar under Prevention of Corruption Act, had alleged that Allekar bought a property valued more than his known income. Petitioner has alleged that by a sale deed dated 26 August 2013, Rajendra Allekar purchased a 500 square meter plot at Porvarim on payment of Rs 72 lakhs. But the sale deed does not reveal the mode of payment as whether the amount paid by Rajendra Allekar was in cash, cheque or demand draft. ACB in the affidavit has requested the court to dismiss the related petition with the cost to the petitioner. The court will hear this matter on 6th March. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Former Finance Minister Dayanand Narvekar has resigned from the Congress party. He sent his resignation to All India Congress Committee on 5th February and announced it on Friday. Narvekar has not yet announced his future course of action. He will declare his stand on Sunday. Sources say he may launch his new party. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.